Hurry up! Yo, give me the rod so I can get it.
We're at right now we're at a golf course, and my ball is in the pond. He's in his boxers and beater right now.
Go, Johnny, go.
You see it?
Keep going. Nice boxer. Oh my god.
This is a hole where all the golf balls go, right where that
Yo, they're cool over
it
looking
is.
at you.
No, seriously?
Yo, give me my shirt.
Well, you couldn't get my ball, and there's people right over there.
God, use your beard to dry yourself off.
Fine.
Well, you're gonna go home wet?
I didn't get my boxers.
Mrs. Berman's gonna be suspicious.
That's my ball. I feel like sitting right there. It's like, hey.